Hi, I'm Steve Thompson, president of Emery Thompson Machine. I'm going to show you how to change the O-rings in under a minute. We have just gotten switching over to a thicker, better O-ring, one that's going to last longer and do a better job. So you take a butter knife and you roll off the old O-ring. You just get it under there and just pry it out. And that's it. There's two O-rings on there. You pry them both out, and now you grab a new O-ring, and you just put it on the drive shaft, and you just roll it back on. It's a little slippery. There we go. That's it. We just changed the O-rings. Now here's the key. Since we have a more surface area O-ring here, is of course you have to lubricate the drive shaft. It's in the videos, it's in the manual, it's when you call here. It's just about the only maintenance that you really have to do on a daily basis is to put on a good quality lubricant like Petrogel or Taylor Lube or Vaseline or Sterashine. They all make great petroleum jelly lubricants. Now that's got a generous amount of lubricant on it. I'm not too worried about how much I put on. I don't want to put on too little, but I put on a generous amount because when I put it back into the drive shaft, the excess lubricant will come into the freezing chamber and I'll just wipe it off with a paper towel. So here we go. We're just going to take that and I wouldn't even have to look in. I just drop it right in place, just like that. When I pull it out at the end of the day, just grab it, pull it out. Very, very simple. Whether you have an old Emery Thompson machine or a brand new one, it's going to be the same shaft, it's going to be the same O-rings, and it just couldn't be simpler. And that's it. We're ready to make ice cream.